Hello, my name is Leonardo Sánchez. My experiment is about how light can be source of energy. What happens if I place a cardboard windmill next to a lamp that is on? I need the following materials for my experiment: the matches, scissors, lamp, aluminum foil, glue, jar, thread, and black cardboard. Let's do it. Paste the cardboard and the aluminum foil. Now cut 4 rectangles. Paste the rectangles around the match. Paste the thread on the top of the match. Paste the other side in the middle of the lid. As you can see, the windmill is in the jar. Finally, turn off the lights and place the lamp next to the jar. As you can see, it is moving slowly. Thanks.